Say hi, Kyrie. Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
What you doing?
Tootsie Roll.
Mmm.
What's an avatar?
Avatar, The Last Airbender. What you doing?
What's Avatar? The Last Airbender.
I love you. What is it?
I can't see.
It's Avatar.
That's Avatar.
I love you. Very cool.
Come in. Yes. Oh, I'm just coming to visit. Here, come in for a second. Come in. Have some fun. Why is the house so dirty? Oh, I spent the night.
Sounds like they're playing baseball or football somewheres up on the hill there.
Don't forget that movie. Oh.
Oh, get out of here.
Sorry, I think this is water resistant.
Uh-huh.
I think it's water resistant. Crystal, your ship's floating away. Careful, it's wobbly.
Oh, you get used to it after a while. The difference 2 degrees makes. It was like 82 and now it's 80.
Swimming away.
What kind of carrots are not supposed to eat?
Birds
and seeds. They make it go cuckoo. I have those out front. Remember I told you that bird went right through my window?
Let's go home. I forgot to take my skirt off. That's my thing.
I have to take my skirt off.
That takes a wet skirt. Fun. Wait, let me swim. Let me swim. Let me swim.
That's right, too. You can stand up.
Good job swimming.
I get that way. Oh, it's funny.
Now, try not to get out of hair at this time.
Earplug.
Hey.
In case you're wondering about that, she's got to wear earplugs because she's got tubes in her ears, so the water can't go into her ears like real fast, like. So we leave the earplugs and put a headband over her head, keeps the earplugs in. So that's what that is. I feel like. Oh yeah.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I was thinking about going my swing, but my legs might get burned.
So what do you want to do today?
sounds like a driveway.
It's huge.
That's the sidewalk. Just because those might have like swarms of bees on them.
Think there's anything in there?
Step on it either.
Some pretty flowers.
I don't want to step on it. Super. I like the big truck.
Pretty nice, huh? So hot out. Well, it's a nice breeze. There's a nice breeze now, huh?
Yeah, nice and cool over here. I bet some of the people are sweating.
Pretty nice day out.
Yeah. They're supposed to open up.
Well, they are very, very pretty though.
Hey, can you take a picture of it?
Good.
Okay. They're very beautiful.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah, but I'm trying to move.
I don't know. What are those?
I'm guessing that's an apple tree.
They look like little choke cherries.
I'm guessing birds.
Look at those silly looking things, huh?
I would just,
What are we gonna call them?
I'll just run the screen.
What do you want to call them?
I don't really know. Whoa, what was that?
Looks like a flutterby.
No, that was beautiful.
Hey, what do you want to call them? What do you want to call them?
I don't know.
Call them something.
Funny looking.
Okay. So they're called funny looking pinwheels. So we spent most of the day in the pool today. Didn't really get to film that much because, well, it's pretty wet in there and the camera's not waterproof. So we'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace out, yo.